What's cooking, everyone? Today I'm gonna be doing some chicken BLT slash slider sandwich, homemade and delicious. Some mayo, secret sauce, chicken gotta be cooked. Got some cheese, lettuce, tomato, onions. You could keep on adding the ingredients you like. Remember, this is homemade. If you want to follow this bread, and I'll give you a tip what this bread is called, just leave a comment. Just follow up. Let's keep on cooking. Here I got my pan ready. Medium heat, your oil of preference. You choose the amount depending on the sliders you're gonna be making. I'm gonna be making two of them, so I'm just gonna try to add two pieces. Alright, so get it going. What I'll do is I'll flip this both sides, 1 minute or two each side. Then to finish cooking it off, I like to add water. I'll show you guys in a minute. So I already flipped the first side. This is called sealing the meat or giving color. Kind of that crispy color on the outside. As you can see, this is still extra raw, but I'm letting it seal on the other side a little. So this is not gonna matter. This is ready. Now at this point, what I like to do is I add a little bit of water. This is gonna help with the boiling and cooking of the meat. So just add your water and cover it off. Let it cook. So now that we have our chicken is almost done, I'm gonna go ahead and build the sandwich, half of it. So here I open up my bread, added mayo. So then I'm gonna add the onion first. Try to do this with one hand. Sorry for the lateness, but my mouth is even watery already. So we got our onion, then we're gonna add tomato. And then our lettuce. So we got our first half, and the rest is with the chicken. I'm gonna throw the cheese on top just to let it melt. And I'm gonna show you guys once I do that. So now that we have our chicken like this, turn your heat to low. Sorry for not having a non-stick pan. Don't judge. It's gonna be fucking banging. And then you cover it for a few seconds and let it melt. There you have it. Hope you guys enjoy it. Give it a try. I forgot to buy bacon, but I'm pretty sure if you like bacon, this will go pretty good with it. Give a thumbs up, a like, comment. Anything helps.